have been in college for a while and it takes a lot for my mind to stay focused. So I got these wooden stacking blocks, and I love to mess around with these and just play with them when I get a little too overstimulated doing schoolwork, or if I'm just bored, I'll play with these. This is what it looks like. You get 40 blocks. They have a bunch of different colors and different shapes. So here's one of the shapes. You have another one, some little egg shaped ones, and you can stack these up. So I'm gonna take a few out. So I just have a few out. I'm gonna close the box now. And I'll show you what I kind of do. I get the box and then I just build. Obviously, it would be a lot more stable on a hard surface, but as you can see, they're not that sturdy on a box, but these are going to be super sturdy on a little desk, your table, the floor, whatever. I really like playing with these. These are just keep me kind of my attention span a little longer, and they just help me de-stress a little bit. So if you're looking for some blocks for maybe your kids or yourself, these are definitely a good choice. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.